Dr. Sophia was making her rounds at the hospital one morning when she noticed an elderly patient, Mr. Jenkins, looking despondent. She asked him what was troubling him. Mr. Jenkins confessed that he felt lonely and afraid in the hospital. Dr. Sophia sat down next to him and took his hand. She told him that this was a special day, World Healthy Day, meant to raise awareness for global health issues and the role each person plays in community well-being. Her kind words and emphasis lifted Mr. Jenkins' spirits, reminding him that health is holistic, encompassing both physical and mental well-being. World Healthy Day was first celebrated in 1950 to commemorate the founding of the World Health Organization. Each year, the WHO chooses a theme focusing on priority area of public health. The theme aims to highlight the achievability of good health and encourage global action on important health issues. Some past themes included mental health, maternal health, blood pressure, and health equality. The theme links to the WHO's broader health campaigns and the Sustainable Development Goals of promoting well-being for all. This day highlights the truth that health is a shared human experience. When communities come together to support health, whether through medical care, education, environmental awareness, or kind acts, it benefits society as a whole. Good health allows people to live life fully and achieve their dreams, which in turn strengthens communities. World Healthy Day reminds us of our independence and the role we each play in global well-being. On World Healthy Day, organizations worldwide conduct events and campaigns aligned with the WHO theme to raise public awareness. Medical facilities may offer free health screenings or education programs. Schools and youth groups hold poster or video contests. Charitable organizations launch fundraising drives or health-centered campaigns. Many people show support on social media by sharing healthy facts or personal stories using the hashtag World Healthy Day. Individual actions also matter, whether practicing a healthy habit, random acts of kindness, or social activism to support a healthy cause. Dr. Sophia's small act of compassion for Miss Jenkins illustrated the power of individual action. By coming together, each contributes to the shared goal of healthy and well-being for all people and communities. World Healthy Day provides an opportunity for global solidarity on important public health issues, reminding us that when one person's health is supported, all benefit. Collective health starts with community. Together, we have the power to achieve a world where people can live long and healthy lives. April 7 is World Healthy Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a nice World Healthy Day. Cheers!